Hi, I'm Steph. I'm from House 4, The Block, and welcome to the backyard that won. Plungie was fantastic, and from the beginning as a registered architect, I had access to the CAD programs. I was able to get the BIM file, pop it in, be able to plan exactly where the pool was going to go. So a couple of weeks before landscaping week, we were able to plan, okay, this is where the concrete bed's going to go. And then it was just craned in so seamlessly, it was perfect. After that, we just had to think about, okay, how are we going to design around it and how are we going to make the pool sing and be a part of the space. And it was all about the cladding around and the landscaping and molding it into the surroundings. And yeah, we're really thankful with how seamless that process was. So we have a Japandi sort of style, Japanese Scandinavian, and I think that really did inform the type of cladding. So for us, it was a timber cladding around with a travertine pool coping tile. Yeah, I was really pleased to know that we actually could have put any sort of cladding around it, whether it would be tiles, the timber cladding that we did, yeah, and various pool copings. So the ability that Plungie had for options and to be adaptable was, I think, also such a big benefit. Well, another factor that I really did enjoy was there are various different shapes and sizes. So you're able to have the flexibility in shapes and sizes and to work out what Plungie fits within the space. That was a huge strong point. That was options. Plungie provided options. And also another consideration is the steps inside. So, there's like little areas where you can chill out zones. So it's not as limiting as, it's just being a body of water. There's actually a design inside. So I would, as an architect, would 100% recommend it. It is so easy and user-friendly that it's a really pick up, put in place situation. And I think that Plungie was really successful in that and would recommend it absolutely.